Hello, we've arrived to our destination and we're very happy with what we've just seen. That is awesome. Perfect.
Put it on YouTube. Look at it. Except mine on their feet.
Oh, so just be very careful, Jet. Guys.
There's rocks everywhere on these cliffs.
Careful.
Daddy, are these cliffs?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we should do it where we look like, you know, the people on Titanic.
Look at this.
You always did say that. Yo, look at that.
Not perfect, but clear enough. Wow.
That's one thing that you don't get to see every day. It's beautiful. Wow.
So this is the eggy bread. It's just basically bread with a hole in it and egg in the middle of the hole. And it's not cooked yet, but it tastes really nice in my opinion. We have it when we're camping.
Is this where we're going to play on the beach?
No, 40 minutes.
40 minutes till we get there. Yep. The other side of Ambleside. Hi.
We're on the go.
Hi everyone. We're going to the beach.
Face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. It's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot. The haze of light. We're staring at a demigod. So what can I say except you're welcome? I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. It's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot.
We've just been to the Ruffles and look what we found.
Staring at a demigod.
You see the big one that's called Hannah, named after me. I'm hanging because I found it and I screamed about it.
And there's loads of shrimp as well.
It's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tide, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was me, I was messing around. I killed a snake, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at that me mini Maui, just tickety-tap. And singing and scratching, flipping and snapping. People are clapping, hearing me rapping. Bring the chorus back in. Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome. For the wonderful world you know. It's okay, you're welcome.
Okay, so we've arrived to our final destination. Final chance to do a bit of a paddling. Woo! Is that Huddersfield Town pants?
Oh yeah. Get
Oh, look at them! Look at them guns.
What about those?
So what is this place called, Richard? I can always
Ligui. Chathia Ligui.
I can always edit and crop this video.
Ligui Beach.
So try a few versions of how you pronounce it.
I'm going for Ligui.
Ligui. Okay.
Ligui Beach.
Ligui
or
Beach
in
it
Welsh.
is.
So here we are. We come to the end of our dads and kids weekend away. Absolutely top notch. Cheers.
Mums, I know you're jealous, and so you should. So next time you better come with us.
Where the north wind meets the sea, there's a river full of memory. Sleep, my darling, safe and sound, for in this river all is found. All is found. When all is lost and all is found, in her waters, deep and true, lie the answers in a path for you. Dive down deep into her sound, but not too far or you'll be drowned. She will sing to those who hear, and in her song all magic flows. But can you brave what you most fear? Can you face what the river knows? Until the river's finally crossed, you'll never feel the solid ground.